I don't even give a shit anymore if Kathleen Kennedy keeps her job or not. They killed Star Wars.
Previously on The High Council.
Now, here's my prediction, though, and you guys aren't going to like this, but I think this movie's going to make $2 billion. And because we saw what happened with Captain Marvel, all you need to do to get people to come into the theaters is have a reason to come. And the reason to come to the theaters is, it's the last Star Wars movie. It's the end of Luke Skywalker. It's going to make $2 billion. It is going to be a piece of shit.
3 weeks later.
All right, I think we're heading towards a $700 million box. All right, so what are we looking at for opening weekend here? What do you guys think? They're tracking this movie to be 180 million to 220 million for opening weekend, but let's see if we can get this shit to 175 million or below, because I think there's going to be a 67% drop off from the first weekend to the next, and that kills this movie dead. That will utterly destroy this movie. Now, I don't even give a shit anymore if Kathleen Kennedy keeps her job or not. They killed Star Wars.
Pop culture PB just said EVS just dropped his box office prediction, $1.3 billion.
I thought it was going to be pretty good.
Pretty significant accounting error.
$700 million. Just based on these reviews, you got the shills hating this movie. All right, so what do we got here? Want to see?
That's so goddamn funny.
Like a $2 billion ad on the
makes $700 million. You understand? We will see heads rolling like a bowling alley.
The previous highlight was brought to you by your friends at the High Council and their guests. If you liked what you heard here, I encourage you to subscribe to all of their channels, which are linked in the description below. Also, subscribe to Pop Culture PB so that you never miss a High Council highlight.